Today I'm going to be putting on some new foot pegs on my CRF110. I'm going to get rid of these stock pegs, and I got some pegs from Flo Motorsports that should be bigger and wider. We will get rid of the stock pegs and put on some bigger and wider pegs. Here's a small comparison of the difference in the pegs. This here's the stock peg, and this is the Flo Motorsports peg. There's quite a bit of difference in these. These have more of a spike grips, and I think these are all replaceable if they come out, but pretty nice looking. So I think it'll be a nice little upgrade. This should not be a very hard install whatsoever. Your stock peg here. Right here you have a cotter pin you'll have to take out, and then this bolt will come out. You'll take the old peg off, and then you'll slide the new peg in place with its spring, slide the bolt back through. There's also a washer on here, and you put the bolt back through with the washer, cotter pin, and it'll be done. So we'll get to it. So here's our cotter pin. We're gonna have to bend those tabs back out. If you're careful with this, you can reuse it, which shouldn't be a problem. And you'll push this through here. So when you pull out the cotter pin, there's also a washer behind that. Then you'll take this, push it through. And there's your stock peg. Here's the new peg, and it has a spring to put on it. So you'll take this little hook part of the spring, and you put this on top here. It will slide over the rounded part of the peg. And then when you put this back on, it'll sit there like that. And you want this part here against that, so that if your peg gets hit on something, it'll fold up and then back down. So you'll take your bolt, get it lined up there, it's back through. Take your washer, cotter pin, slide that back through, and bend your tabs back out. And you're all done. So there we have it. New pegs installed. They look really good. Kind of cool. It was a very easy installation. It probably took me longer because I filmed it. It should only take you like 5 minutes. Not that bad at all. And when it's all done, you got new pegs.